Smoke alarms. Okay, if you'd like to test your smoke alarms, you hold the button in. It'll beep 3 times, then all of them should beep. Okay? So that lets you know that all your smoke alarms are working. After you release it, it'll stop after a couple beeps. Okay, the green light here, okay, should always be on. If you see the green light fluttering, okay, it could be because you have a bad battery. There's also a little red light that comes on and lets you know that your battery is definitely bad. To access that, you really don't even have to take it down. You just pull this little slide out lever, and that gives you access to your 9-volt battery. Okay? Pretty simple? Okay, done deal.